Good morning again, adventurers. It's midday, 12 noon, on quite a cool 27th of May 2026. We're back at the haunted lake at Chillingham Castle. Craig's with me, fishing on the fly. He's talking to one of the lads that puts the pegs and things in here. There's a guy fishing opposite. He's the only other one on the lake. He's had a fish since we got here as well, so they're obviously feeding. Apparently they spawned here about 10 days ago, so hopefully they're on the feed again. I'm fishing a feeder out by the weeds out there with Fayuca pellets and a krill boilie, and I'm going to fish bread in this right hand corner here. There's been nothing shown on the top at all yet, but I've got to throw some bread in, see if anything comes up. But wish us luck. Say hello, Craig. Thank you very much. Said hello, Craig, as scripted. So hopefully bring you back when I've got a fish. He's fishing fly only today under that tree where he got them all last time, but we've got to try and get them feeding on the surface, get them going first, and then we'll start catching some, hopefully. Craig's getting first blood. Well, not yet, he hasn't. But it's looking at me. Oh, there's fish close in here, isn't there? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, nice fish. All nice fish. On a white.
A fab.
A fab. All right. Lovely. There's not a lot moving around my corner. There's an odd one. There's one took 3 bites out me warburtons before, but never hooked itself.
That's it so far.
Putting a good scrap up. Oh, the net's in the water. It's getting close. On a fab. That was fab. This is going to be 1-0 to the Craig. Well, I think it is anyway. There he is. Oh, had his head up, then it went down again. I thought I might have had something on the swim feed out now, but not a touch. I think I might cast it round the corner as well. Yeah. Want to take you in the weeds. Certainly scrapping. Well, man, I haven't got all day.
Unlike you, I can't horse with her because I've only got a leader on. I've got braid. Feel free to come back in 5 minutes' time.
It's a lovely, fully scaled mirror. Oh, his head's up. Oh, his head's down. Oh, his head's up. Oh, his head's down. Swam into the net. Swam into the net. Get him on the unhooking net.
Would you please pass the net?
Do it on the grass. Softer. Lovely jubbly. How many barbels has it got?
2. There's
Only 2. Oh no, it's got 4.
Is there one on the top? Or is that a leech?
No, that's a barbel on the
right,
top,
there we go,
and that's a barbel. So there are proper carps, they're not F1. So that's that answer.
Bonny fish.
Bonny fish. About £5 there, man.
Yeah, probably about that.
Lovely. 1-0 to the Craig.
Great start.
Well, I've got fish feeding on the surface in front of us here now. There's a one just took 3 bites out me warburtons. Here he is. Oh, go on, get it down here, man. Take it in properly. Instead of taking bites out of it. Bloody hell. He obviously likes the taste of it. I threw some dog biscuits in a minute ago, and they've been taken from round the corner. So that's a good sign that they're taking dog biscuit. But that one that just came up has had a go then dropped it. Try again. Mr. Jammy Jambo. He's got another one on.
It's been a while since I've been Jammy Jambo.
Huh. Well, you got to go fishing to be jammy. Giving him a good scrap. About the same size as the other one, maybe it's a bit bigger. Oh, it looks that's a better fish. Looks like a mirror, like a proper mirror. Definitely a bit bigger. Don't think he heard yet. Gone through the weed.
You got the beep 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 there?
No, don't think so. I don't want to beep beep beep, I want to brrrr. Heading for the weeds every time.
Yeah, no, well, it's shot right under the far bank.
Aye. Got to keep your rod down, or you will end up in the trees. How's the old tennis elbow feeling?
Okay so far. Expected him want to swing.
You missed it. This one. Get his head up.
That was the problem.
Uh-huh. Under all his weed.
Oh no.
Get him out. Oh well, he shifted it all for you. That's it. Lovely. A mirror. Like a proper mirror there, nearly that one. Yeah, it's a proper mirror, that's why it's fourth. Yeah, it's a better size, isn't it?
There we are.
No, it's lovely. Clean as a whistle, isn't it?
Bonnie.
Lovely.
Fabulous.
See you out. Craig's on to his third. I've got none, I've lost one on the swim feeder. And I'm going to move pegs, because the wind's doing me head in. Put a good scrap up, that's for a size, didn't it?
It's the smallest of the three so
Aye.
far.
Proper mirror. On a little white fab that looks like a piece of bread. Jolly good.
Fabulous.
Well, the wind was getting on my nerves up there. So I've come down to a quieter swim. Ooh. And there's fish jumping about all over the place down here. I've come to a quieter swim. Where Craig's been throwing his bread in has been drifting down this bank under these trees. Difficult to cast to, but I think the fish are like under the trees. So I've put the swim feeder to the left under the trees, and I'm going to fish a piece of bread on the top, or a dog biscuit under the trees on the opposite bank. We're in at last after missing about 4 or 5 bites. I want to go around that right hand side because I've got the swim feeder around that side. There's a lot of fish off the corner over here. Whoa, strong. Yeah. Plenty of power. Heading for the trees. A lot more difficult to fish here, like, but certainly a scrapper. Come on, come to daddy. In the net. At last the blank's off. Right, we'll get him sorted, put the camera back on in a minute. No monster, about £6 maybe. Bonny fish though, great scrap. Great scrap. scrap that much he's made his mouth bleed. You ready to go? There you go. Away you go. That's lovely. Back to where you belong. I'm seeing plenty of fish nosing the bread and blowing bubbles and that across by that tree. So I've got the bread kind of, don't know whether the camera will pick it up, I've got the bread like in between the tree and the lily pads. And as soon as it's hit the water, there's a few come up and had a look at it. I've missed 4 or 5 before I hooked that one. Be nice if one came and take it on camera, wouldn't it? At least they're taking the bread properly, they're not just biting little lumps out of it, they're taking it right into their mouth, which is good. Just let it sit there a minute and hopefully hook another one. I need to catch up to Craig, he's on 3 or 4 now. There's something under the bread there now swirling about. Yep, there he is, he's on it. Ooh, that was him. He took a bite out of it there. Didn't take it though. Good takes when they come up and whack at it like that. You just need them to put it in their mouth completely instead of just biting bits off the end. I'll put the camera off or I'll never catch one. Well, this is really weird. There was fish all over the place in the swim when I got here an hour ago. And now you can't buy a bite. They seem to be moving around the lake in a big shoal, so I think you've just got to wait for them to come back. I have missed a couple under that tree over there, but they're few and far between at the minute, and yet they were everywhere before. There's quite a bit of bread floating about in the weeds down there that you might be able to see, but nothing's come up for it, so they're obviously not in the vicinity at the minute. There are swirls going on further out, but it's very difficult to cast to. There's one there now. I think I need a longer cast. I'll try that. Well, I've just been victim of my own stupidity. I put my bread down by these bits of weed over here because there was a fish moving about, and it took it and went tearing off and snapped us. And I've just realised why when I've tested my drag, because I got stuck up that tree over there earlier and I tightened the drag right up to pull the hook out, and I forgot to set the drag when it came back in. So that was my own fault, as though it's not bloody hard enough without doing stupid things like that. You stupid boy, lol. Well, I've just decided to do some long casting, and straight away I'm in with a bit of flake. And he's a feisty one. I've got the drag set this time, which helps. Ooh, whoa, miles away. Go over there in the weeds. Don't go around the island, son. Keep to the left. Yeah, I can't half scrap. I need him to keep going to the left and not to the right, otherwise he'll go around that corner. Oof, God, he's shaking his head. He's angry. Right, mate, where are you? At least he's staying round the left. Oh, there he is. Going through all the weeds. Oh, I don't believe it. Come off. Oh, after all that. Lost it. Whoa, get out from under them trees, boy. That's better. Get into some open water. And they're all fighting at the minute, mind. He's trying his damnedest to go under them tree roots. There he is. Oh, come on this way. To bully him. Looks like a decent fish. Right. Get out from one of those roots, boy. they've got some strength in them, these fish, at the minute, after they've spawned. Get the net in. Oh, I don't believe it. It's another one just come off. Oh God. Well, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't keep a bloody fish on the hook. I'm keeping a tight line on them. They seem to be well hooked. And they're just pulling out. And I've just checked the hook and it's okay, but I've took it off and put a straight shank on because they are curved shanks I've been using. I don't know whether that's got something to do with it. It doesn't normally. I normally use those hooks and I don't have a problem with them. But is that 3 I've lost and 1 snapped? I would be beating Craig. I'm still on bloody 1. I can't believe it. Let's see if I can keep this one on. This is in open water. Other minute, through the weeds. Violet. Tail slapping the line. Well, maybe the change of hook has worked. It's right under this tree here. We know exactly where the snags are. Where are you, bud? There you are. I hate it when they slap the line with a tail like that. Yeah. Come here. Where are you? I've just got them feeding off the corner of the trees on bread. Come on, this way away from that other line. So, get your head up. Get your head up. Sit. Gotcha. Yay! Number 2. Right, yes, that hook worked alright. He's not that big. £4, £5 maybe. It doesn't matter, because it counts. Yeah. I've got them feeding off this tree round the corner here.
Yeah. Overhanging.
Yeah.
It seems like they've all got
No, they're in open water. Well, I've just lost another one before I even got the camera on. It took the bait and it screamed off and it went round the island, right the way around there, and put us in a snag. So that's 4 or 5 I've lost. And that's with my normal hook on now. Can it win today? There's one. He's on. He's on. And I cannot let him go around that corner. Oh, he's off. Ah, how many am I going to lose today? They're violent takes. I'm not sure if the camera caught that one taking the bait and screaming off, but that's 6 that I've lost now. I can't believe it. I mean, I know I'm on barbless hooks, but like they're taking the bait and they're absolutely screaming off and you can't stop them because they try to go around that corner. Devastated. I would have had a cracking day if I'd landed them all. I'm still only on 2. I've had this boilie rod out for bloody ages and just gone off. I just had it in the margin. Hair rigged krill boilie. Staying deep. He's heading for those trees over there. Move this other rod so I can get my net out. That's it. is he? He's right under those trees over there. Oh, he's come this way now. It's better. Thank you. I see him. Oops. Oh, nice. And a good scrapper. Come on, bud. That's a common. Unusual to get a common in here. They're nearly always fully scaled mirrors. He's not that big. Can I have me boilie back, please? Thank you very much. Lovely. That'll do. At last, number 3. Bonny little fish, about £4. Maybe it's 5. Hard to tell. Feels like 5. I think you're fighting fit and ready to go, son, are you? Are you? Oh yes. Number 3. Thank the Lord. Number 4's on the hook. I've been stalking him. I chucked 6 bits of bread in and he came up near every one of them. So, oh, nice fish as well. He's just not fighting as hard as the other ones, but it's a nice fish. No doubt about it, unless he's just woke up. Probably come off, knowing my luck. It didn't run like the other ones did. The other ones have gone absolutely crazy when I've hooked them. Definitely nice fish. Oh. Come on, son, get your head up. Yeah. He saw the net. He saw the net. Oh, this one's a big enough net. You've got to get into this. Oh, come on. No, he's not having it. Definitely woke up. Get up. He's in. You only woke up towards the end of the fight. Right. Have a look at you, son. It's another lovely, fully scaled mirror. They've all got a few bumps and marks on them and where they've been spawning, like. Right, gives me line back, son. Thank you. Bunny fish, again, same sort of size. They're all about £6 or thereabouts. There's nothing the matter with you, is there? Get your head up. No. Get you. Go backwards. Oh, how are you, man? What are you doing? You go backwards? Backwards, forwards? No? Doesn't want to leave? Come on. He doesn't want to go, this one. Come on, turn around. Turn around. That's better. Whee! Away she goes. Once he saw freedom. That's 4. Good. Getting better. I bred's over by that bush. And the same fish has had a go at it 3 times but not taking it off the hook yet. I'm just waiting for him to come back for it. Be nice if he did on camera, but they never do. He's just beyond me bread, swirling about there. Yeah, fishy, fishy. It's amazing, there's millions of tadpoles in here today, and when your bread's been sitting in the same place for a while, it gets attacked by loads of tadpoles. Fish just moved to the left of my bread as well. The wind's starting to drop a little bit, although it's getting a bit chilly. It doesn't look like he's going to take it on camera, is he? No. Not unless it's a tadpole. There's 2 or 3 fish in my swim here now, as you can see. My bread's about 10 foot away from that tree. Oh, he's on it. Oh, took a bite out of it and left it. Oh, he's come back. Come on, he's still there right under it. I can just see him. Maybe he felt the hook, I don't know. There was 2 or 3 of them there all at once. Well, the fish are properly on the feed now in front of me, round this corner. They're coming up for the bread all the time, but either smashing into it or slurping it off the hook. Just won't stay on the hook long enough. Whoa! They got crashed into by a duck. So I think there's plenty of fish in the swim, and we've got about an hour left. There's a big bow wave close to me bread there now. Come on, take it on camera. Nope, there he is. Oh, didn't take it. Turned away. Must be able to see the line. But the wind's blowing it towards that tree, which is good, because the fish seem to be closer to that tree than they are in open water. But no, they're not going to take it on camera, are they? They never do. We're on. Whoa. That's straight for that tree. Oh, don't do that. In again, Craig. I'm in again. Yeah. Yeah. This is proper scrapper, this one. Went straight for the trees. Get away from that other line, mate. Nice fish, this one. By the looks of it. No, he's not tired yet. Straight under the tree, that's it. Yeah, and stop that. Bloody hell. Run. He's seen the weeds up there, and he's seen the trees up here. There he is. Come on, you must be tiring by now. My arm is, I know that. Oh, there he is. Nice mirror. My God. Right, old scrap with this one. It's been up and down this. Left to right. Just kiting along. What a scrap. Under the tree again. Come on, mate, you've got to be tired by now. Surely to God. Obviously not. Oh dear. What a scrap. Yeah, he's starting to tire now, I think. That's it. Lovely. Yeah. Right. Oh. a nice fish. Probably the best one I've had to date. And it's about the hook out by the looks of it. Yeah, he's got spawning marks on him. Bonny fish. I might weigh that one. I thought that was bigger, but it's £7 and he's going to have to... Camera battery ran out just as I was saying that. It's just on £7 that one. Cracking scrap. I think you can see by the marks on it it's been spawning and lost a few scales and things, which a few of them have at this time of year. But that's £5, that's good, getting better. I've got fish feeding close in now. Now the wind's dropped and the sun's going down a bit. Typical like, he'll not come up for that bit of bread while I've got the camera on, will he? Guarantee that. He's just been up for about 6 bits of bread, right where my bit of bread is, straight off the end of the rod there. Yeah, we'll go right in front of us. About 2 rod lengths out. He's been up and took the bread twice. See if he comes back for a third bite. Biting the ends off and not taking it in his mouth properly. Like splashing at it. They never come up on camera, do they? When you have the camera on, they don't come up. Never mind. Oh, that one's on alright. And he's trying to go around the corner. Whoa, come back here. Crikey, look at these. One rising right in front of us while I'm fighting this fish out. God. Just got to keep him away from that bush. I don't know how big it is, but it's certainly a lively one. I don't think it's that big. Oh, I hate it when they slap the line with their tail like that. Great, strong fish. Where are you? Get your head up so I can get you in the net. No, don't go down there. They're proper arm making fights these. I tell you what, they can't half pull when you're doing it with one arm with your hand on the net. Oh, he went over the bloody net. Come on, come on, come on, head up. No. Dear, dear, dear. Come on, son. That's him. Phew. Whoa. Stay there. Let's have a look at you. Right. Let's have a look at you. Where's me hook? There's me hook. That's good. Another bonny, funny, fully scaled mirror. A few marks on them after spawning. Fins and everything are okay though. But they've all got a few scales missing where they've been bashing about spawning, I think. He's definitely ready to rock and roll. There you go, bud. Bye bye. That's 6. Good. Well, that's it, guys. 8:30 and we're going home. Craig broke the lock, so the guy's here to help us get out, otherwise we're here for the rest of our life. He's had 8, Craig's had 8. I've had 6 and lost 6 and been snapped by 1. Never pulled a hook on so many fish in my life. And of course now we're leaving, there's fish jumping all over the place. But we'll see you on the next one, which will be tomorrow at Watergate. Might catch a 20 pounder with any luck. We'll see you then. Bye for now.